sequence of each. Gavin, this is your chat.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna be eating nasty jelly beans and see the girl.
Yeah. That packaging is.
I'm gonna spontaneously combust. It's a SoundCloud ad. It's a SoundCloud ad.
Minecraft.
Living like Larry.
Hello.
Today we are going to be doing the BeanBoozled challenge. If you dare to compare, caution contains weed and weed.
Did you say weed?
No, it's not edibles.
Okay, thanks. Okay, you want to since you're our guest today, or this is McKenna. If you don't know McKenna, this is my stepsister.
If you don't know me, I hope you die.
Yeah, pretty much everyone knows me. Since you're the guest, they can't even see what we're doing. When you spin it, I guess we'll just like do it like right here. Is that working?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god, your hydro flask. What'd you get? You got booger, homie G.
No, I didn't. You're gonna go first.
Suicide.
You got juicy pear booger.
Guess what, bitch? I don't care. It's boogers. I should be salty.
Can you not?
Oh, I'm sorry. No swearing on the channel.
No swearing the Jesus Christ channel. Oh, McKenna's on FaceTime. This is McKenna, then that's McKenna over there. You can't. Why are you waving? They can't see you.
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Juicy pear burger. No, no, no. It's this one.
Oh.
Don't have to close it.
No, they're coated.
I ate that one. Tastes salty, huh? Mocos. Come on, Felipe. Do you want me to go?
Okay, that's Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
That's tasty.
It's-
It's Tutti Frutti.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't want to play this game anymore. What is that? Caramel corn. What? Can I?
Which one? This is a
Okay,
Christian
later.
channel.
I'm so sorry.
Jesus loves me. Yes, I know.
Don't mind my black nose. It's
Charcoal face mask.
yep. I don't want to play this game.
Eat it. You missed your mouth.
Well, I guess I don't eat it anymore. Okay, where'd it go? She's taking one for the team. Can I go?
Hello?
Hello?
It's probably on your butt cheek.
Yeah.
Eat it now.
I'm gonna puke everywhere.
I'm gonna laugh. Eat it. Don't take a bite out of it. Eat it. Did you spit on the towel?
He did. I watched it fall.
What is that? Is it popcorn?
It's popcorn.
I didn't like that.
That don't taste like good.
It doesn't at all.
It tastes like lotion.
That's not. You eat lotion?
Have you ever tasted lotion?
Not really. Oh, there's dead fish.
I almost killed myself on that one time. Legit.
Oh, alright, give me your turn.
Oh,
Okay, spoiled milk or coconut?
that is the worst one. That's the one that gets me. Okay, you guys are gonna see me want to die if it's spoiled milk. So good. Love spoiled milk.
Love the goodness.
Daily nutrition and vitamins strengthens your bones.
Okay, Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks, my guy. Gonna get that good Tutti Frutti. I can't even see what's happening. That's kind of gay. So we'll do it like this.
It got stuck in my throat.
Oh, tutti free.
Huh.
Yeah. I'm getting you.
That was a fire ass spin.
Juicy pear or booger?
Again? It tastes nasty.
Coconut is boiled milk.
Do you think kids that eat their boogers are like, when it lands on that, we're like, my favorites. Like, they like it?
I mean,
How do they know people? How do people know this tastes like though? Like, do they have people sample boogers?
possibly.
What'd you get? A bad one?
It's juicy pear or booger.
Oh.
And it's booger.
I ate that one 2 seconds ago. Oh fuck. The blue one. Let's go. Please be toothpaste, because my breath nasty. That was blueberry.
Oh, blueberry? I never have blueberry.
Blueberries.
I'm gonna put that in.
Can you answer that
Yeah.
quick?
Blueberries.
Okay. We're gonna push it over to lime. We're gonna push it over
It's
to...
barf, homie.
No,
It's barf.
it wasn't barf.
It's barf.
No, you're stupid.
I might as well play this game by myself and my demons. Let's go. Gavin, it was a
that was a bad spin.
Karma's gonna get you, but stop it. Halt. Halt. Gavin, stop cheating.
I'm not cheating. Okay, I swear to God, it will. That. It's not a spin.
Good, that's what you get. You have to eat it. I can't do it, Mom. I can't do it. Why are you buying these if I'm gonna eat them all? I love eating barf. Wait, is it the clearest one?
It's the clearest one,
Or
yeah.
the solid one? Listen here, bucko. Be good. It's peach, I think. It's not peach.
My grandma got a fake tan. Is that better?
I'll barf in my mouth. Oh
Bad.
fuck, I realize how ugly I look. It's whatever. I don't care.
Diamonds on wrist, diamonds on my bitch, no cuffs on my wrist.
Hello, it's Bear Grylls. Man, this is wild.
Just so you can see it better, I guess. I don't know. Oh, I broke it.
This is why I have brain damage. You broke it?
Just a little.
Now you have to eat a handful.
Fuck. Oh, I fixed it. That's why it was because it was pushed out.
You psych, you thought I ate a handful.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
This is your spin. Butter popcorn or ramen?
Let's get it.
Eat it.
I ate it.
Put it in your mouth. I swallowed all of them.
Oh, it's so disgusting.
Like my face.
Butter.
Butter popcorn doesn't taste good.
It's not a treat.
That was a good spin. Proud. Caramel corn or moldy cheese. Loving it. Living like Larry.
Is it good?
So tasty. Tastes like cotton candy.
Wait, what is it?
Moldy cheese. Your turn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break this cup.
Oh,
That's the dog foodo.
It's either canned dog food or
The dog foodo. That's the dog food.
Chocolate pudding.
Gonna get that.
How do you memorize that?
Gonna get that good chocolate pudding.
Insert clip of this.
Which one's that one?
The Vine?
You're gonna have to send it to me because I have no clue what you're talking about.
You just stick little fingers in your mouth. Having a hard time in the studio. Living like Larry.
Kenna,
Yeah, what's up?
that gives a
Oh,
whole
that
new
was-
meaning to puppy breath.
Huh?
That gives a whole new meaning to puppy breath.
Ew. Butter popcorn or rotten egg. Love it.
Wait, it's actually pudding. It's actually not that bad. What is it?
Nasty.
Which one was it though?
Nasty.
No, which nasty flavor?
All the nasties.
All the nasties.
Rotten egg.
Nice.
Your turn, bud.
Bud.
But at the end, we have to spin 4 times and get all those 4 beans, and we at the same time.
You mean you're gonna do it?
I'll do it. I don't care.
I know you do.
I don't care if I die.
See, I, it's not that. It's just like I don't like nasty.
You have to say living like Larry. And it's a
Living
good
like
one. It's a good one.
I'm living like Larry.
You get spinning it.
Living like Larry.
Moldy cheese, homie.
No, which one is the first one? Let me spin these.
Stop. Barf. There you
No, that was the blue one.
Bon appetit.
It was. This is the blue one.
go. Bone
Wait.
apple teeth.
It was the blue one.
Gavin. Tired of this sissy Lala. That's the blue one.
No, that was fish.
No, it was a dead fish makes me want to die.
All right, how about you get blue and dead fish?
I'm just gonna eat the dead fish then, because we're living like Larry.
Oh, I can smell it.
Love it. Oh yeah. Mhm. Tastes good. Smell like ass.
Let me see. Open your mouth. Just open your mouth.
Nutritious and delicious.
Stop talking.
Be the fish.
Eat this.
Please be toothpaste. My taste buds are dead. I can't even taste it. Wait, go. Your breast probably smells like dog food. Stop breathing. Okay. That's what you get. Whore.
My turn.
It's gonna land on blue.
It better.
You better stop.
Coconut or rotten?
Spoiled milk, homie. The tastiest one in town. Spoiled milk. That would taste bad.
You didn't see that?
Oh yeah,
I ate it, guys.
eat it. You can't spit out.
Put that one over there. That's the worst one.
Dead fish. I honestly, I forgot what it landed on. Like, I put on my life. I'm the one that eats them anyways. You spit
I
them
know.
out. It's got the same one as you did.
You can have this one.
That's Satan. Die. I was through up. The last one had to be coconut because that was bad. But I bit that one and I almost threw up.
That was good. I'm like looking at you through there, and I can like. Did you eat all good flavors?
It tastes pretty tasty.
Your breath is. Oh, there's one right there too.
It doesn't taste bad, but I don't want to eat it.
Really? Eat that one. Eat this one. Eat this. Get it, I don't want to clean that up.
There's one bean. I work out on the daily.
Let me see. Oh.
I didn't mean to do that. Good thing I didn't because that was a barf.
Oh, you can take this off. Alright. Can I rip this off for me?
Hello, welcome to ASMR.
That was very unnecessary. I spilled some water in the beans. All over my bed.
Bean juice. Let's make some bean juice and drink it.
Are you down to drink this?
No. I honestly think I'll throw it.
Please, for the YouTube.
Look, okay, first of all, get this off. No, we're gonna dry off your bed.
Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Fails part 45.
Gavin,
Yes. Yes.
I love how you say please for the. Oh shit.
Okay.
I love how you say please for the YouTube, but you've been complaining the whole time about eating the beans.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Exposed.
I'm not gonna put that in then. Can I stop?
Are you? Oh my god.
So
Yeah,
here we
broke
got
my
the
back.
you got the bean juice brewing up. We'll drink this like 10 years later, yeah. We kind of spilled some water in there, and there's still beans. No, don't use my water, please. Is you good?
I need beverage. Can I have a beverage?
Drink some more.
You try it.
I don't want
A
to.
barely, a little sip.
I will puke.
A little sip goes a long way.
Okay, you know I will puke my brains out. What are you doing?
Do it.
No, it's like.
Do it. Do
I
it.
don't want to.
Do it.
No.
I'm tired of being the only adventurous one in the family.
I'm sorry.